everyone, welcome to our vlog. Today our group is visiting the historical Logar Fort. It is located in the Sahyadri mountain range near Lonavala. We started our journey early via train and then continued to trek for about 2.5 kilometers until we reached the footstep of the Logar Fort. Right now we are at 1033 meter above the sea level. The Logar Fort played an important role in the Maratha Empire because of its strategic location and the overall strength of the fort. The name Logarh means the Iron Fort, which represents its strong and defensive design. Today, it is a popular destination for trekking and tourism. In this video, we will explore the history and architecture of this fort.
The interesting part about the fort is its impressive architecture and defensive design, which includes granite and basalt stones, which leads back to 2000-year-old of architectural design, which includes huge stone walls, massive bastions, and large gateways. And such spaces were used to spectate on enemies for 24 hours. There are several gates that lead to the top of the fort, including Ganesh Darwaza, Narayan Darwaza, Hanuman Darwaza, and Mahadarwaza.
Now let's take a look on the history of this historical fort Lohargarh. It dates back to the 2nd century, where the Satavahana dynasty built the fort. Also, the other dynasty ruled again, like Chalukya dynasty and Rashtrakutas. But the main importance the fort gained during the reign of Maratha Empire, where Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj and his troops captured the fort. The fort was main base for its strategical importance of location as well as the defense and storage capacity of the fort. So the historical importance of this fort is very huge, and also it was important for the ancient army.
From the top of the fort, soldiers could easily monitor nearby trade routes and movements in the valleys. This made Lohargarh an important military base during that period. Even today, the fort stands as a reminder of the strength, planning, and legacy of the Maratha warriors.
Now comes the thrilling part in the history, where in the year 1665, after the Treaty of Purandar, which was one of the greatest treaty between Maratha Empire and Mughal Empire, the Mughals captured this Lohargarh fort. But again after the 4 years, in the year 1670, our Maratha Empire recaptured the fort and gained their rule on this fort. And since then, the legacy carried and the fort was defended by Maratha kingdom.
So we are here at Lohargarh. It is one of the most unique places I have been to. It is also a UNESCO heritage site, and many tourists, as I have seen, come here from Pune and from Nashik, and it has one of the most scenic views.
The peaceful atmosphere and natural beauty around the fort makes it a perfect place for photography and exploration. Many visitors come here to relax and enjoy the fresh mountain air. They learn about the historical significance of this remarkable structure.
Now we are at the granary of the fort. This granary was used to store grains like rice and wheat, and it is constructed by the thick stone walls to protect it from rain, moisture, and pests. And forts could have been under siege for a long period, so it was important to store the grains in advance. At the top of the Lohargarh fort, this peaceful Mahadev Mandir stands quietly among the clouds. After the long climb, this place feels calm and powerful, like the mountain itself is guarding it. Just few steps ahead lies Trambak Talab, a historic water reservoir that once supported life inside the fort.
So here at Lohargarh fort, it is very harsh conditions as per weather. So only locals can survive. They only know how to maintain the fort. Outsider can't handle these harsh conditions. While in summer it is extraordinarily sunny, and while in rainy seasons it is raining and it is foggy.
Our visit to Lohargarh Fort was an unforgettable experience. Exploring this fort helped us learn about the history, the architecture, and the bravery associated with the Maratha Empire. Logarh Fort continues to attract visitors who are interested in history, trekking, and nature. Its strong structure and scenic location make it one of the most beautiful forts in Maharashtra. Exploring places like Logarh helps us connect with the past and understand the cultural heritage that has shaped our history. The combination of natural beauty and historical importance makes this place truly special. Exploring such historical places helps us appreciate the rich heritage of our country. We hope you enjoyed exploring Logarh Fort with us. Thank you for watching.